Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow turtle. Let's start drawing. Let's learn together to draw a turtle. To start, I'm going to draw the head of our turtle. Then I'll draw a cute eye for it. With eyelashes and a smiling mouth and small rounds for her cheeks. I continue with her body. I finish the drawing with the details on her back and her legs. Incredible! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's start with the color green. And green also for her nails. For her skin, I'm going to use this light green marker. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red on her back, then orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, and pink. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.